So here's how to fix CounterStrike 2 VAC was unable to verify your game session error. So first, you want to make sure that Steam is closed. You can open the task manager and in here search for Steam, and then end all the Steam tasks you see in here till Steam is closed down. So you want to right click on End Task on Steam and close any Steam processes you see in here. Now once all the processes are closed, you can close this window. Now you want to simply go to the Steam icon on your desktop, for example this right here, right click on it and show more options, and then go to Properties, and then go to Compatibility tab, and in here you want to check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and check Run this program as admin. Now you want to click on Apply and OK, and then you will simply need to restart Steam. So double click on it and confirm, and it should start running Steam again. Then you will simply need to click on the top left here on Steam and then go to Settings, and then under Downloads, scroll to Clear Cache. Next to Clear Download Cache, click on it and then confirm. And this should shut down Steam and restart it and prompt you to log in again. So we're going to log in again to the Steam account. And it's loading Steam right now. Next, you want to go to the library and then click on CSGO. So you should see CounterStrike on your library. So simply click on it. Then you want to right click on it and go to Properties, and in here go to Installed Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. And this process should take a while to verify and repair any potentially corrupted files for CSGO. Then you will simply close this when it's completed. Next, you want to go to Windows Defender. So open the Windows menu and search for Defender, and open Windows Security. And in here, we want to first allow the app to run through the firewall. So we want to click on Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Allow an app through firewall. Click Change Settings, and in here we want to make sure CounterStrike 2 is in this list. Now, if it's already in this list, make sure Private and Public are checked. If it's not in this list, you can click on Allow another app and then Browse. And then simply browse to the Steam install directory, and then go to Steam Apps folder, Common, and in here you should see CounterStrike 2 folder. Go inside the CounterStrike and then select the CounterStrike EXE and then open it, and it should add the app in here. Now click on Add, and it should add it to this list, and then make sure you check both of these, public and private, and then click OK. And now you can close this and try to launch the game again from Steam, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.